Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying essentials so the install won't stall. Open settings to confirm your Windows version and free disk space. Make sure at least 1 GB is available. Next, launch Microsoft Edge and search for the official Google Chrome download. Do not click unknown links. Once located, click the download button and save the installer to downloads. If a smart screen or antivirus blocks the file, temporarily allow it so the installer can run, then proceed to run the file. Run the Chrome setup. Exe file you downloaded. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator if prompted, because that prevents permission errors. Follow the installer prompts, accept terms, and pick an install folder only if you need a non-standard location. Once Chrome opens, sign into your Google account. This syncs bookmarks, passwords, and settings so you get the same experience across devices. Make sure sync options you want are enabled. Once done, Chrome will import bookmarks from Edge if you allow it. Finish by making Chrome your default browser. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Default Apps, and select Google Chrome for HTML and HTTP/HTTPS. In Chrome settings, set Google.com as your home page and choose Google as the default search engine so searches go to Google directly. Pin Chrome to the taskbar for quick access. If Chrome won't open or searches still route to Edge, reinstall Chrome or reset Chrome settings. Also verify Windows firewall or antivirus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.